Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Guys, I'm here again today with another video. Guys, it's really been a long time. Yes guys, that is because I've not been feeling too well. So I've been away on YouTube for a while now. Let me say for some weeks now. Yeah, I haven't been making video even in my mukbang video. I don't know, it's echoing. So guys, today's video is going to be a house tour. Yeah, it's an empty house tour. We are packing in tomorrow, so I decided to do the house tour, like the empty house tour for you guys. So I'm going to be show you guys around the apartment. Is a 3-bedroom apartment. Like guys, before we find this apartment, it was so difficult. House is so expensive and very difficult to get here in Palma De Mallorca right now. I don't know why it's so crazy. House is crazy expensive here. Like I don't even want to mention the price for you guys, but if you think I'm joking, just go online. You can download Adaeze or Photocasa in your phone. Just type Palma De Mallorca. You will see the prices of house in this city. Like house is crazy expensive. I don't know why. But let me do my house tour. We are so lucky to find this house. Meanwhile, it's not cheap. Oh, this house is expensive. It's a 3-bedroom apartment. So we are going to park in here tomorrow. Yeah, we are packing in tomorrow. So today I came here to just do the house tour. Like I came the other day to clean the house. I've already mopped everywhere, but I didn't do anything. I was so tired that day. So let me just stop talking, okay? I'll take you guys around this 3-bedroom flat. Okay, 3-bedroom apartment. Yeah, so guys, this is what you will see first. This is the entrance of the apartment. Yeah, this is the door to the apartment, and here is our passage. Here's the lights. Yeah, here is our passage. There, you just come in, close the door. Yeah, so you on your lights here. Here is the passage. The passage is so wide, and I like it for that fact. Here is Owen is sleeping. Yeah, Owen is sleeping. So guys, if you just enter the apartment, the first thing you are going to see is the sitting room. The sitting room has this wide door. Yeah, so it has this wide door. You can see here's the sitting room. Yeah, everywhere is so empty in this house. We are going to buy our property because nothing is in this apartment right now. So here is the sitting room. Here's the view of the sitting room. Yeah, from the sitting room you are going to come out from the passage. Yeah, you open your door. I don't know what this is. We met it here. Yeah, so it has this small storage here. If you come out from the sitting room, yeah, this is the sitting room. As you can see, this is where you are going to be sunning your clothes. Yeah, so from this place I can see this parking. I think this is a school. I think this is a school, but it has where children play ball. You can see they are playing ball here. It has this beautiful view. You see the beautiful view, guys. It's so beautiful. So guys, yeah, you see where you can keep your things. Yeah, nothing's in there right now. It has this very small storage. So let's go in. So if you leave the sitting room, you are going to go to the kitchen. You see they face each other. You will just enter the kitchen. Yeah, here is my kitchen, guys. So just ignore this. You are seeing I bought this to clean. Yeah, that day I came to clean. You can see that small towel there. You can see that small towel there. I also use it to clean as well. Here's my wardrobe where I'm going to be storing my first stuff, you know. I kept the mop I use here, and it has this fridge. Yeah, this space here, I'm going to be keeping my freezer here. Yeah, I'm going to be putting my freezer in this space. Yeah, guys. And here is the heater for the hot water. And this kitchen has this window here. This window, yeah, it has a washing machine as well. The kitchen is not so wide, but it's good. It's good, guys. It's good. Yeah. Here is my kitchen. Let's move over to the next place. Here is the first room, guys. Here is children room. Yeah, this is one room. Let me say, okay, this is going to be Owen's room. Yeah, it's small, but it's good. It's not that small, but it's okay. Maybe later I can put a double bunk bed. And it also has this wardrobe where you can store their things. Yeah, it also has this window. So guys, here is one room. Let's move over to the next room. They are very close to each other. This is the next room. This is the other room. This is the other room, guys. This wardrobe is not for this room. This wardrobe is not for this room. It's going to the other room. This room also already has a wardrobe, a mounted wardrobe, like that is mounted to the wall. Yeah, so this wardrobe is leaving this room. It also has this window. Window. See the outside, you see? So all the rooms has window. Yeah, so that's it, guys. It has window. Let's close the window. So this is the room, guys. It's from this view. You see, the room is not too small, but it's not so bad as well. So these the both rooms. You can see they are close to each other. So let me take you guys to the master bedroom. The master bedroom. So I know some people will be like, is this master bedroom? Yes, so that is how Spain built their house, guys. So you see, this room does not have wardrobe. So we are bringing in that wardrobe. Yeah, we are bringing in that wardrobe here. So it's going to be in this room. This is the master bedroom. Yeah, it also has this window. Let me show you guys the view from the window. This is the view. This view is the view from the balcony I showed you guys earlier. You see, the balcony and the master bedroom window has the same view. So guys, this is the room. Let me show you guys the full view. So this is the master bedroom. You see, it has this mirror. Hello. Guys, please ignore what I'm wearing. There's a lot of code. Like, it's so cold. I don't know about where you are right now, but right now here, I mean, for the past 2 weeks, the code here, it's like something else. I haven't seen that kind of code since I came to Palma De Mallorca. So that is why you see me wearing this. You see my boots. You see my boots. You see this is for cold, correct cold. So yeah, it has this mirror. Yeah, I like it. I love the mirror because the wardrobe that we are going to be putting, this is where we are going to be putting wardrobe. The wardrobe does not have mirror, so I just like the fact that they put mirror here, but I wish they didn't put, though. We are going to put our mirror. Yeah, I wish they didn't put, but it's good enough they left their mirror for us. So yeah guys, here is the room. Let's move over to the bedroom, which is the last place in the house. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Yeah guys, I came here to clean the other day. Like I said before, that's when I use these tubs to clean, you see. Yeah, and I also use this to clean when I came. So here is the bathroom, the bathroom and the toilet. Yes guys, so you see, here is the bathroom and the toilet. The bathroom is so small. So that was the first thing I complained about this apartment. My husband was like, are you going to be sleeping in the bathroom? You are just going there to bathe and leave. So so don't complain. So the bathroom has this heater. Yeah, you see the remote. Here's the remote. It has this heat. So guys, that is it for this apartment. Yeah, here is the shower. I also love this shower head a lot. I love it a lot. As you can see, here is now our new home. Tell me guys, what do you think about this apartment? Like, it was so difficult before we got this apartment. I won't even lie. To get an apartment in Palma De Mallorca, oh my god, this apartment, like, it wasn't easy to get. To get an apartment in Palma De Mallorca is not so easy. It's easy to get, but they are so expensive. Like guys, my face is so rough, so rough. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. That is because I haven't been feeling so well. Like I said before, I didn't have the chance to maintain or take care of myself. I've been feeling so sick lately. So just ignore my face. Ignore this bra. I'm going to be shaving it soon. I'm getting better now by God's grace. So the energy is going to, I pray and hope my energy is back very soon. So guys, that is why I haven't been doing video on my mukbang channel. Yeah, so I told you guys I haven't been feeling fine. If you are following me on that channel, I posted it on my community tab that I'm not feeling fine. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. I don't know when my next video is gonna be, but definitely I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.